I have chickens.
I have a blackbird.
I have chickens.
I also have chickens.
I have 2 chickens.
I have roosters. I also have roosters. There's a hen with her chicks. Yeah,
I have chicks. I have ducks.
I also have ducks.
I have a silky chick.
I have geese.
I have a chick.
I have an ostrich.
I have goats.
I have a kid goat.
I have goats. EMB. I have goats, sis. They're really big. I have sheep.
I have a ram.
I have a lamb.
I have black and white turkey.
I have cows.
I have a calf.
I have buffaloes.
I have lions. What do you want?
The lions ran away.
I have a pheasant. I have a golden pheasant. I have a pelican. I have a heron. I have a peacock. I have a crane.
I have frogs. I have crocodiles. Wow.
I have ferrets. There they are eating. What are they eating? Fruit. Yeah.
I have a giraffe.
I have birds.
I have elephants. I have turtles. I have cats. Meow.
I have lions.
I have dragons. Here. Look at that. Oh, that's so scary. Oh, yeah.
I have both. I have fish.
I have a hamster. I have a bear.
I have a white cat. Here, it's cute, isn't it?